Hello friends, and today I will show you how to make a Chinese knot. It's super easy and can be used to create fancy patterns for macrame wall hanging or for a pot hanger. Once you practice these knots, you can actually work and create any kind of macrame projects. Take 2 strings and tie a lark's knot. Now observe how I work with the strings to make a Chinese knot. Pick this up and take this string, go behind and pass the string from here. Now pull the same string from this loop and pull it down gently. Pull the strings neatly. Arrange the strings to make a neat looking knot. Pull both the strings down to make a Chinese knot. Adjust the strings in a knot and lastly press the knot to make it a little flat. Don't forget to watch the next video where I will show you how to make a sailor knot. Stay tuned towards your hobby. Watch the next video, Macrame Sailor Knot.